bari omukwajana Obugabe bw'abanyamakuru bashangira ngo kitongore cya Uganda Police nicyo cyebembeire omukuribatirira Obugabe bw'abanyamakuru kikoratirwe UPDF.
The sections of the Police Public Order Management Act that were criminalizing, those freedoms, those have been outlawed. But still, what you see, the police stand down deaf ear to court orders. What kind of country has Dr. Rukare do we aspire for? Do we have a lawless country?
You can blame the pain anywhere, but this one is very unbearable.
Omushomogu abanyamakuru hamwe n'abebembezi babiri nibahajana uko bakubasa kumaraho okurubatirwa kwabo kandi bashomirwe Press Freedom Index Report ey'Enkumi-22.
A total of 16 cases were perpetrated by communities and mobs in 2022. This was a significant increase from 6 in 2021, 7 in 2020, 6 in 2019, 9 in 2018, and 4 in 2017.
A violation of your economic rights, including unfair wages, lack of contracts, and failure by bosses to pay salaries for months. The remedy of this is the minimum wage bill, as we've said, which calls for a joint voice by various clusters to the population to pay the government for its reconsideration.
Pooriisi hamwe na UPDF bashabire kwabaho enchiko ubu n'abanyamakuru omukumanya buri omwe aharukoma.
Itwena nitwetagangana abamakuru nibatwetaga naitwe ntubetaga. Ntabwo twina kurorango engeso n'ebintu byitwe barukutwegeso bakutendeka mukaba amakuru mukaba security mazima twariteka mu nkora nukusobole kukoragana hamwe.
Utwine kole misomo eya hamwe. Buriyo mamanye challenges ziri muri rwa mutahiwe sobole kurango twaragana kurungi. So nyo tupatumazire ikintu kichakwa twetegereza kurungi.
If a policeman says stop here, turn back and go, let's do no harm. Go back to your editor and say I have been blocked. Let your editor be the one to contact the hierarchy of the police, the hierarchy of the army, the hierarchy of government for remedial action. You don't have to have physical confrontation with the policeman, with the soldier in the field, because you don't know their state of mind.
Abanyamakuru bashabirwa kukoresa amateka Obugabe bwabo bwaheza kurubatirwa. Gashakwa Michael Tumwakire.